In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're going to build a clean 2x2 image grid right inside a Google Doc using a simple table. This approach is quick, consistent, and perfect for mood boards, side-by-side comparisons, or any layout where you want 4 images aligned evenly without fussing with complex formatting. First, open your document and head to the top menu. Click Insert, hover over Table, and choose the 2x2 option. You'll see a small grid appear with 4 equal cells. This table gives you a reliable structure, so everything stays aligned as you add content. Now choose the image you want to use. If the image is already in your document, click it once so it's highlighted. If it's on another tab or from a different source, open it and select it so it's ready to copy. Make sure the image you pick is clear and high enough resolution for the size you want in your grid. Copy the image. You can right-click and select Copy, use the Edit menu, or press the keyboard shortcut that's standard for your device. If you don't see the copy option at first, ensure the image is actually selected with a visible outline. Click into the first cell of the table so the cursor appears inside it. You should see a little margin around the cell. This tells you the image will be placed inside the table and not floating on the page. Paste the image into that cell. If it's too big or too small, use the corner handles to resize while keeping the proportions intact. Inside tables, images work best when set to be in line with text, which is typically the default. If you need a bit more breathing room around the image, you can nudge the cell's padding later, but for now, focus on getting the first image size just right. Repeat the paste action for the remaining 3 cells. Click in the next cell and paste, then do the same for the third and fourth cells. Because you copied once, you can paste as many times as needed. To keep everything consistent, match the size of the first image so all 4 look uniform. If you adjusted the first one, pasting that adjusted version helps maintain a consistent look across the grid. And that's it, you're done. You now have a neat 2x2 image layout in Google Docs. For a polished finish, you can lightly adjust the table borders or set them to transparent if you want only the images to show. When everything looks good, save and share your document with confidence.